Let's solve this question together. It says x factorial over 6 factorial is 7 factorial. Let's solve for x in this question, okay? Or let's find what x factorial would be. So the first thing we can do here is to say that let's cross multiply this with this. Okay, so we have x factorial multiplied by, so this is 1, it's x factorial to be equal to 7 factorial, 6 factorial. In order to understand what I'm going to do here, I'll tell you what factorial is real quick. A factorial of 4 is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The factorial of 5 is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this just gives you a pictorial example of what a factorial is. Having that at the back of your mind now, it will make sense if I said that 7 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, let's build up a number such that the factorial would encompass all these numbers. Okay? So, first of all, the number that we're going to build is going to be greater than 7 and 6 because we are saying that the number itself is a product of 7 factorial and 6 factorial. Does it make sense? Now, let's pick out the first number. Okay, let's find out the first number. We already have 1. In fact, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because the number that we're taking is greater than this. So we can have 1 to 7. Does it make sense? So we have 1 to 7. So you can take from here all the way to here and write it out. So we have that the number x factorial should encompass, it simply means that this number is 7 factorial multiplied by the rest of the numbers that are greater than 7. Okay, so this number 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 is 10 times 7 factorial. So we cannot write it as 7 factorial multiplied by, we would have written 6 factorial, but then what I require to find is just the number. So let's do that now. Now the next number after 7 is 8. So we have 4 times 2. So we have this times this is 8. Okay, so we have multiplied by 8 multiplied by the next number after 8 is 9, right? We can pick 3 from here. We pick 3 from here, what's left here is 2. And that 3, we can use it to multiply these 3. Okay, so that 3 can multiply, this 3 can multiply this 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. What's left here is 2 and 5. And 2 times 5 is 10. So we can see that this is 7 factorial times 8 times 9 times 10, meaning that this is equal to 10 factorial. Hence, our x here is that x is equal to 10. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.